Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, sticking with food here again, I want to talk to you about brown sugar. Now I've talked about a little bit about brown sugar in a couple of the previous videos over the last week or two here, but I want to talk about specifically stockpiling some brown sugar. And there's two types of brown sugar. There's light brown sugar and there's dark brown sugar. What's the difference? Well, the difference is the amount of molasses added to the granulated sugar to make the brown sugar. Right? But there are, in cooking recipes, some of them specifically say, so many cups of dark brown sugar or light brown sugar and quarter teaspoon or a teaspoon of molasses, or regular sugar and 2 or 3 tablespoons of molasses. So rather than trying to do the guesswork, if you have stockpiled brown sugar, both light brown sugar and dark brown sugar, it's going to make things a lot easier on whoever's cooking. All right, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here. There are some great preparedness videos over there. I'm going to put another video up here on preparedness that will help you get prepared a little bit better. Why? Well, this is why.